Hello, this is our SC-370 Deliverable 2B Weather Station Analysis by Cody Akers and Richard Whalen. Bluff. Our task is to make an assessment regarding changes in Arctic temperatures. By utilizing software such as Sidwin and Microsoft Excel, we are able to extract and analyze data. We are about to discuss findings on global temperatures from certain weather stations for ExxonMobil in order to provide guidance on Arctic oil draining opportunities. We are data scientists engineers for ExxonMobil, and we are about to extract data from Pat's script from our boss Ricardo, a VP with the ExxonMobil Research and Engineering Company. After extracting the Sidwin code from the tarball, we were able to transfer all the data from the weather stations into a VBA code. This VBA code snippet here displays a brief summary of us finding the slope and sum of squared errors for each of the weather stations around the world within Pat's script. It is also critical to point out that in trimming our data, because there were a lot of blanks in our Excel file, we cut off within the last 20 years, meaning 1997 was the starting point for all of our data sets. As a result, we got these top 5 locations for the greatest slope or change in temperature regarding these weather stations for climate change. For a better visual understanding of where these countries lie, we depicted a map with each of the points. There are 4 here because 2 of our data stations were located in Norway.
It's also worthy of note that all of these data locations that had the highest change in temperature are located in the northern hemisphere. This graph depicts the year as our independent variable and the annual minimum temperature as the dependent variable. It's seen from this graph that the average trend was a positive trend, generally traced by all of the different weather stations. The matching of these trends leads us to the conclusion that the temperature is changing everywhere. Further research into one of our specific top changers led us to the conclusion and the reinforcement of our opinion that the temperature is changing most between the 60th and 70th northern parallels. It's also interesting to note that the temperature does not only change over a long period of time in Finland, but it is also known to change very rapidly within a short period of time. This concludes our Arctic file analysis. Here is depicted the sources used to complete this requirement.